Welcome back, guys. So today we'll be continuing data structures and algorithm. So we'll be seeing linked list, and under that we'll be seeing polynomials. So today we'll be seeing how to insert and create a polynomial. So we'll understand this by an example. So this is the polynomial that we need to insert in our linked list, or we need to store that. So first of all, our again we'll start start is our null, and we'll assign, or we'll just take, we have already seen the structure for our node. So this is the part like coefficient part, this is the exponent part, and this is the next part. So after inserting the element, first we'll insert this part. So this is the coefficient -6, exponent is 5. So this is how you store. So the order of the highest power exponent will be at the first and the lowest will be at last. That is the main thing. So for doing that, first of all we need to set like the next part of the temp to current. We will again use a current variable here, that must be set to current, and start must be set to temp for this case. Now suppose we need to insert this element, this part right here. So this was a previously, and our temp is this. So how we'll do that? First of all, we will just check whether the exponent 9 is greater than current arrow exponent, that is our given exponent which is present already in our list. So yes, it is greater than 5. So what insertion will take place at the before. So for that we know how it is done. So we will use this, and this is for start. And for other cases, like when this, we need to insert this part 10 into x to the power 0. So again we will just we'll use 2 pointers here, previous and current. So first of all it will just check whether 0 is less than 9. Yes, it is, so it will move forward. So initially current was here, that is it was here, so it moved forward here. Previous is now here. Now again it will check whether it is less than 0 and 5. Yes, it will move forward. So at the last it will come here. So when there is nothing left, so this is the key that will happen. Temp arrow next is equal to current. It will get the value of current, and the next part of previous, this part here, will get the value of temp. Prev arrow next equals to temp. This is the insertion of node before a given particular key. So this is the explanation part. So this is a program. So I'm writing the function here. So this is a function. Pn is our type definition. Temp, current, and previous, the values which are needed, both are set to start. Will travel until this. So when suppose a given exponent, the exponent which you are entering is greater than current arrow exponent, then we'll simply just break out and we'll just insert the element. Else for other cases we'll just move forward, we will move forward when these cases happen. Now we'll just insert. So this is again, we'll insert a node before a particular element. So that is pretty simple. So we are asking for the size from heap. Now temp arrow exponent, we need to insert both of them. This is the value of x, and temp arrow coefficient equals to coefficient which we are asking from the user. Now for the first case, that we are inserting at the start, and for other cases, prev arrow next, that must be set to start, that must set to temp, and return start, and we are done. So this is a program which I have written to explain the polynomial function, the library packages, the structure of the polynomial, the type definition, the function prototype of it, the display function, the main function. Under it we have written the choice variable, the coefficient exponent, Start is set to null. Do I look for various options for our insert and create. We have asked that for coefficient and exponent. Start, this is where we need to go. So I have written just the same, nothing I have changed here. So let me show you the display function also. So nothing same, just similar to that. So I'll just run it. So it is asking for what create. I'm entering the coefficient 10, 9. I'm again entering -6 and 5, and again I'm entering 10 and 0. So let me show you how it works. So this is the polynomial which I have entered. So this is a coefficient, this is the exponent, coefficient, exponent, coefficient, exponent. So this was all about it. So thanks for watching it.